Hey everybody, so as I've said, I've been using Grand Lash and I'm very happy with the results. I do have a little bit of darker discoloration on my eyelid, but it's worth, for me, the lash growth is worth the discoloration. Just for fun, I'm going to sample out today 2 of my mascaras just to compare the 2. I'm going to use Armani Ice to Kill on this eye. And on this eye, I'm going to use Armani's Black Ecstasy. So let's get started. I don't have any lash maximizer on today. I also don't have foundation on because I have another rash. All right, so there you have it. Not huge mark difference. This one, the Ice to Kill Classic, I've noticed it's a little bit more dense. So it's gonna coat your lashes more. You're still gonna get that length, you're still gonna get that darkening, but it does thicken them a bit. So it depends on what look you're going for. The Black Ecstasy defines each lash a finer way. So it doesn't give you that coarse kind of outer shell. It more just is coating the lashes to define them more. So it just depends on what look you're going for. All in all, 2 of my favorite mascaras. I tend to use Maximizer underneath, and a little tidbit too. And you really want to define lash, I do my Verishop Maximizer Ice to Kill on top of that, and then just about halfway point of the lashes out to the ends, I'll do Black Ecstasy just for an added oomph. So there you have it, some of my lash hacks for beautiful lashes. Real quick little extra, looking at my eyelashes a little bit closer after I finished my video, I do think the Armani Classic maybe gave a bit more length. So just wanted to add that in there. Have a good day.